Hi, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is August 28th, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at the current market trend and our strategy. Your stock market uptrend is under pressure. I have reduced long positions and I have the stop order for remaining of the long positions. Let's take a look at the market indices and the charts. German DAX index consolidating. NASDAQ, the chart is still in the uptrend. However, we can see the subtle distribution going on. At a high, the market at a high, and the volume is high and higher in the down days than on the up days. And we have close below 10 days moving average. And that has not happened since this uptrend. So for the last 3 days, we are under the 10 days moving average. That's a very cautious, that should be a very cautious thing. So we just have to see if the market would break 20-day moving average, which is the pink line here. And that's definitely we should get out of the market. But for now, we should reduce the position, and it's still okay to long the stock if the stocks are still strong. But we should have the stop order. Just get ready to get out anytime. SP 500 did the same thing. It closed below 10-day, 20-day, and touched the 30-day moving average. So we need to be very cautious. Gold is consolidating here. Gold, the concern for gold is the trend may be reversing now because it didn't hit the previous high and then came down. So if gold break down below 1300 level, that would be a very dangerous thing for the gold uptrend. For now, we're still okay. Silver actually break below $19. That's a very bad thing for gold and silver. Gold mining stock looks like a trend may have been turned down. Crude oil may be in the uptrend now. Crude oil ETF also turned up. Energy ETF consolidating here. China Asia market is in the uptrend, although last week had a pullback. China ETF also uptrend, but last week was a pulling back. US biotech pullback to the 200-day support level. US real estate, this looks like it's been turning to the downside. Real estate ETF looks like it's turning to the downside. Airline ETF, downtrend. Semiconductor ETF is in the uptrend, still in the uptrend. Social media ETF uptrend. Solar company consolidating. Solar company actually is in the downtrend. Right now it's consolidating. Financial ETF in the uptrend. Utilities in the downtrend. That's the indices. Let's take a look at the stocks. The stocks on the buy range, we've got a few stocks in the buy range, and then we also have the stocks that's overextended. They're too high to buy. Let's first take a look at the stocks on the buy range. AYI, this stock is in the buy range. FANG is in the buy range. This is an energy stock and broke out right here above previous high. So right now it's in the buy range. Facebook, this is a breakout at $221. Right now it's still in the buy range. Google, also in the buy range. Google broke out $790 here. So right now, just briefly, just a little bit above that breakout point. LN, this is a Japanese social media stock. Right now, this stock is in a buy range here. Mobileye, This is a new added stock. Breakout $50.28, but they pulled back. So if anyone buy this stock, I would think the stop order would be $44 right here, previous low. You can use $44 as a stop price, or you can use 50-day moving average, which is $45.80 as the stop order price. So, but nevertheless, this is a strong stock. They're doing the self-driving car and just recently broke out. Now let's take a quick look at the stocks that's already out of the buy range. Applied Materials, out of the buy range. This stock is very strong in the uptrend. Amazon, also out of the buy range, uptrend. Alibaba, breakout pivotal point is $85.99 on here. So right now it's out of the range. Adderall Life Science, biotech stock, breakout pivotal point $112, now out of the range. GoPro is a turnaround story. It turned around like right here, $11.57. That's the first buy signal. Right now it's in the uptrend. NVIDIA has been in the uptrend for a long time. This is still very strong. So those are the stocks out of the buy range. VEV also out of the buy range, uptrend. Weibo, this is a Chinese stock and a very strong uptrend. Most recent buy point is actually $34.96. Right now it's $48. That's way too high. This stock is very strong. So next time when they pull back to the moving average, that would be a buy point. Or if they make a base like this one, that would be a buy point. But for now, we just have to watch it. It's just, if you haven't bought it, it will be too late to buy. What to do in this market? And we should have a stop order for every long position. If the stock breaks down below the major support level, especially if it breaks down with a high volume, we have to get out because stock will continue to go lower if the institution are selling them, which is a high volume job from the drop below the major support level. That's a signal that institution might be selling the stock. And for every existing long positions, and just have a stop order to protect the position. That will be all for this week. See you next week.